What a great day to sew something wonderful. I'm Kia from Kia B.
And this is Tech Guy from the Hive.
And we are so excited to be back with you today during unboxing week. Today we are doing the Sew Sampler unboxing from Fat Quarter Shop. And we are so very, very excited.
Super.
This is one of our favorite boxes.
Yes.
And it's just such a great value. So let's get this opened up. Right when you open up the top, comment down below if you know what this is right here. Comment down below.
Yes.
Okay. And then we've got this really cute little card here. I love how they do this because even when you open the box, it fills the space, but even when you open the box, it's like still like a surprise. It's like a box within a box.
Yes.
Okay, so we have Paris, the French Market, March 2019 box. And then this typically has a coupon on the back for the Sew Sampler.
And it doesn't disappoint.
members.
It does have another coupon.
It does. 20% off Jolly Bars. So Fat Quarter Shop really takes care of their members when you have a Sew Sampler. You get tons of coupons all the time. Remembering to use them is the hard thing because I will go to place an order with Fat Quarter Shop and totally forget to use any coupons whatsoever.
And then she slips up and says, hey, oops.
Yes.
It's not necessarily a good thing.
Yes.
But it's all right. I mean,
that's okay.
It is what it is.
Yes. So we've got 20% off of Jolly Bars there. This is just the little card that says what's in the box. I never like to look at this because I don't want to be spoiled. Okay. First things first. We have the Gypsy Quilter Peels Spool Hugger. So we've gotten these in a box before. If you are like an OG Sew Sampler member, we have gotten these, I believe, in a Sew Sampler before. So what these do, I wish I had a spool sitting right here, but I don't.
We don't.
What these do is the thread that comes off the spool doesn't have anywhere to go. So these are little silicone, I'm trying to get them open. These are little silicone bands. These are a lot more firm than the other ones that we've gotten. And they go around so that your thread doesn't come off the spool and make a huge mess.
Or it's time to replace the old ones with the new ones.
Very, very true. So there are 12 in here and these are so great.
I like the colors.
Yes, a little trick that I use these for. How many of us have the little rulers that roll up? Right? Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yes, I do.
You and your friends make fun of me all the time when you ask if I have a tape measure and I say, yes, I do. So it's the little colorful tape measures that you get. I mean, you can get them at any big box sewing store for 79 cents.
Yep.
I roll mine up and then put one of these around it so it doesn't unravel all over the floor.
And we know where it's at.
And we know where it's at all the time. It's by my computer.
It's hot pink.
So, yes. So that is a really good use of these as well. So, there you go. It'll change your life.
It will help you. It won't change your life, but it will definitely help you in your life.
Okay, this is really, really cute. So, Sew Sampler was, not Sew Sampler, Fat Quarter Shop was extremely generous a couple of months ago and sent us a wonderful box of goodies just thanking us for our support in the Sew Sampler unboxing videos. Yep. And they sent me some of the cutest goodies, one of which was a beehive cookie jar, which was so adorable.
It's like they're after your own heart.
Yes. This was also in my box. It is an iron rest, and so I've been using this for a couple of weeks, and it's wonderful.
Yes.
It does not allow the heat to go to your desk at all. So it is silicone, and this one says, sew while the iron's hot, and mine does as well. And so it is silicone, and so it does not, like, you can rest your iron on it.
It's a lot to take in because I walked in her studio a couple times like, is that the iron on the table? And
it is. It's a lot to get used to.
It is. It's the knee-jerk reaction, like, what are you doing?
Yeah.
But it's super
scary to do it for the first time too.
Yeah.
It is scary to do it for the first time. So the first time I did it, I think I put it on top of my ironing board. And y'all know if you've seen that video that I change out the fabric on top of my ironing board with different IKEA fabric. And so I did it on that just to be careful, just in case it burnt a hole through it, but it didn't. The heat stays great, and it's wonderful. I've used it a lot, a lot. I just took it to Quilt Retreat actually this past weekend and had a lot of people ask me what that was. So that's really cool. I'm so glad that y'all are getting that because you're gonna use it and love it.
You're gonna love it.
Yes. All right, the next thing is the fabric. This is Chantilly It is a Jolly Bar from Moda.
Exclusive.
Oh, cool. Okay, so...
Exclusive alert.
Exclusive alert. So this is a Jolly Bar, meaning they are 5 by 10 inch rectangles. And this is beautiful. I'm sorry, I'm not going to unravel the fabric for you
but
today.
There's 42. If someone's counting, you don't have to unwrap it. There's 42.
There are 42, and it's these beautiful, beautiful kind of spring
time
colors.
Appropriate. I think that's what
very time appropriate.
It is.
Yes. If you want to see an up close, I'm sure that Fat Quarter Shop has an up close picture of what these fabrics exactly look like.
And I'll put it in the description below so you can just click on it and you'll get it right there.
That's why we call him Tech Guy. Okay, so we've got that Jolly Bar. Ooh, we have some Tim Holtz 7-inch titanium snips. These are wonderful. Look how big the grip is.
Huge, but wait.
But wait. Here we go.
Oh,
look at that.
Mind blown.
Mind blown. That is awesome.
Comfort. They're snipping for comfort.
They are, yeah. So it's got that wonderful grip on the sides. That's great.
That's awesome.
Wow, I can't wait to use those. And I've heard a lot of good things about Tim Holtz scissors. I've heard, in fact, the quilt retreat I just went to, the quilt shop that it was in, just got new snips as well, but they weren't these. These are awesome.
If there's any husbands watching this video, these are not for the kitchen or for anything else. Please, I've learned my lesson.
They're for fabric.
Yes.
Okay, and then with every Jolly Bar, you get a Jolly Bar pattern. And so this is the pattern that comes with that particular Jolly Bar, which is really cute. These are Fat Quarter Shop exclusive patterns. So this is the Chantilly Jolly Bar pattern. This is called Brookside Quilt. And I don't know if y'all have worked with Jolly Bars. I have the book as well, and it's so simple to put them together. So those are super, super cute. All right, next we have our Sprouts quilt pattern. All right. So that is the quilt pattern. All right. Yep. And this says bonus size option included.
Does that say exclusive? Because that's also an exclusive for...
also an exclusive.
Yes, for So Sampler. So
the only things that you would need in a throw version, you need some background and binding. And that would make a 48.5 by 48.5 with that Chantilly fabric.
That's a fun name.
Look at the dark background. It makes that fabric pop so much. Now, if you watched our floss tube this last week, you saw that I made the sofa quilt, which was a So Sampler exclusive quilt pattern. Yes. I made it over a quilt retreat, but we got that in a box months ago. And I chose different pattern or different fabric than what was on the front, and I used that navy background. So I'm kind of like stuck on using navy or a dark background to really make those colors pop. So that's super nice. I think that's the color of choice right now for you, right? Right. Yeah. It was a Bella Solid, and it matched perfectly with the fabric I used.
It was gorgeous.
So I really like the dark here too. They used 12, well, we'll link it down below. Yes. We'll link it down below which one they used, so that if you have a So Sampler, you can easily go buy that background fabric. Okay, and then, oh, this is so exciting. Y'all know by now what I've been doing with the barn blocks. And so I'm really excited to have the last block so I can chart it. But here is our last barn block. How cute are those?
Just another project you were working on.
Right? Okay, so that's block number 12, which means...
New Year!
New Year, and we have our finishing pattern on the other side, which is so great. And it means that next month is a new year for So Sampler.
Happy New Year.
That is insane. Y'all, we have been with this from I regret this so much that we do not have the very first box. That I wish we'd, because then we could say we have all of the boxes.
We could tell our all younger selves.
Yes.
This. We would have grabbed it.
Yes. So we have all the boxes but the very first one. Yep. And so this is our third pattern with that. Which is, I mean, that's so cool.
The cool thing is we've seen it grow and evolve and change, and it's just cool to see like that. And there's other subscription boxes that we do that we're seeing those infancy patterns change and
oh yeah, to grow
change. Like it's just
yeah,
awesome. So,
absolutely.
Yeah, it's
and I love that Fat Quarter Shop has taken the opportunity to write patterns that are exclusively for Sew Sampler.
Yes.
So it gives you like this, not the upper hand, but it does give you...
Gives you a value.
It does.
Yes.
It really does. Yeah. So this barn block thing has been... I want to make the matching quilt now. Now that the year's over and I've seen all of them, I wish I would have... So something we could tell our younger selves a year ago, buy the quilt kit.
Yeah.
I will say I talked Fat Quarter Shop this week, and those barn block quilts are running very, very low.
Yep.
So if you were even thinking about getting one,
If you're on the edge,
you need to go buy it right now.
because I don't think they're going to bring it back.
No.
So
because they'll be moving on to the next year's pattern.
Absolutely. So
Yes.
if you're thinking about it, go ahead and grab it, and you won't regret it, because she loves it. I love it. It's just another project that she was doing.
What was your favorite thing about this box?
I don't know. I thought it was pretty cool with the fabric. I like the fabric a lot. I like a lot of the exclusiveness that you get with the Sew Sampler. It's not just that you can go get it on the website or get it somewhere else. I love that. The snips, I thought that was pretty cool because of the grip. And it's not, you know, plastic rubbing on your hand and having that ache and pain. And things like that. I mean, there's not a lot of things I did not like. I don't think there is something I did not like.
Right.
I mean, it's just a lot.
I'm really torn between the iron rest and the Tim Holtz scissors, the snips.
I would go towards the Tim because you've had the iron rest.
Right. Right. I think that I think the snips are probably like my favorite.
Right.
I don't know. I'm between the iron rest and the snips because the iron rest I've been using and I know the value of that.
Right.
But the snips are amazing too. Like I'm pretty pumped about that. So, okay, well, what if we told you that we got an extra box this month that we are going to be able to give away?
Yes.
Yes.
Bonus.
Bonus. I'm so excited to tell you that we are going to be doing these Sew Sampler boxes for, again, another year. And this month we had an oopsie and they sent us 2 boxes. One that they sent us and one that we paid for. And we would love to give one. Yeah, pay it forward. We would love to give you one.
Yes.
So if you have watched all the way to the end of this video, I don't want you to say free. I don't want you to say giveaway. I don't want you to say anything in the comments that would attract, yes, people just looking for giveaways.
Yes.
I learned that lesson from Priscilla and Chelsea over at the Real Housewives of Cross Stitch. And I thought that was genius because there are people out there who just Google giveaways. Free. Yes. Free gifts, whatever. So I don't want you to say any of those keywords. I just want you to tell me in the description below what your favorite thing about all of the Sew Samplers that you have been subscribed to. Say, my favorite thing is, or my favorite, let's do this. My favorite thing of all the Sew Sampler is.
Ooh, that's a lot of words.
XYZ.
So you might have to stop, rewind a few seconds, type it out while you're commenting.
Yes.
But those are the words we are looking for.
Yes. My favorite thing of all of the Sew Sampler boxes are...
Besides us.
Or is besides us. And this beautiful couple of unboxings. Wow. Okay, so I want to know what is your favorite thing. Don't say free, don't say giveaway, don't do any of that stuff. And of those answers, we are going to draw someone to send you this
box,
one
literally
that has everything that we just showed you inside of it.
For free.
For free.
But don't say free.
That. Yes.
We can say that, but don't say that.
Yes. So, thank you all so much for joining us in the Hive today. This was a super fun unboxing for us. Thank you for sticking out unboxing week with us. And yeah, we'll see you later.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.